Late Tuesday, a very active time frame for severe weather. Look at this. Caught on camera in Stamford, Texas, and there were several other reports as well, as not just tornadoes, but also a lot of hail, heavy rain, and intense winds did a number for many locations. We're still not out of the woods. The next couple of days, we've got additional severe weather threats coming up. So again, these threats will continue to pull through Texas and Oklahoma and locations north as we stem on up into Kansas during the frame of the overnight. Here is a look as things will play out going further into the morning hours on Wednesday, getting closer to rush hour, and then additional rounds of severe weather coming up during the day on Wednesday, and then once again late and overnight. But this time we see the threats pressing even further east over into sections of western Kentucky, Tennessee, and also Mississippi. By the time we get into Thursday, we're going to have a lot of these same places undergoing severe weather threats, but then you can see that threat continue shifting overnight towards more of Alabama, Georgia, and also western Florida.
There's a toxic creature threatening to invade an island, and the inhabitants may not be able to protect themselves. The Asian toad is nothing to mess with. The toads are usually found in tropical and subtropical climates, but they can quickly adapt to just about any environment, reproduce like wildfire, are highly toxic, and have a ferocious appetite. And they're threatening Madagascar, an island where over 90% of the country's animals and reptiles aren't found anywhere else in the world, according to National Geographic. Native wildlife aren't equipped to defend against the toads, and people who try to eat them have become extremely sick. A mining company came across the toads and alerted researchers this past March. So what now? Conservation groups are looking at everything from killing adults to draining the lakes where the eggs are laid. The goal is to eliminate them early before the toads can force the extinction of other vulnerable species. I'm Matt Sampson, the Weather Channel.